Turmeric and cauliflower come together in a golden, aromatic curry that not only tantalizes the senses, but also nourishes your body with potent anti-inflammatory benefits. This vibrant dish features cauliflower florets swimming in a creamy turmeric spice sauce, brightened by citrus, green herbs, and just a hint of spice. From the first chop of the crisp cauliflower to the final garnish of fresh cilantro, this curry journey is about more than dinner. It is nourishment, ritual, color, comfort, wellness. Imagine stepping into your kitchen as the late afternoon light streams through the window. On your cutting board lie a head of cauliflower, its curving white clusters ready to be separated into flowers. Beside it are jars of ground turmeric, cumin, coriander, black pepper, paprika, and perhaps a pinch of cayenne for warmth. You have fresh garlic, onion, ginger, life-giving coconut milk, and lemon or lime for brightness. You feel the warmth of expectation. For health, for sharing, begin by prepping. Wash and trim the cauliflower into even-sized florets so they cook through uniformly, becoming tender but still holding structure. Chop 1 medium onion into fine pieces. Mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Grate a thumb-sized knob of fresh ginger. In a large pan or Dutch oven, heat a little neutral oil like avocado or light olive oil over medium heat. In goes the onion, sweating gently until translucent. Then the garlic and ginger, golden and fragrant. Now the powders. Ground turmeric, with its deep golden hue and earthy aroma, is the hum of the curry's power. Add a teaspoon or two, depending on your desired intensity. Then cumin and coriander, rounded out with warm, toasty notes. A dash of paprika adds sweet color. A pinch of cayenne gives a whisper of heat. Sprinkle in black pepper not just for flavor but because piperine and freshly cracked pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric's active anti-inflammatory compound. Stir the spices into the onion, garlic, ginger base until they bloom, releasing essential oils and filling your kitchen with golden haze. Pour in coconut milk, stirring it into the spice mixture until it forms a silk-colored, aromatic sauce. Add broth, vegetable, or light chicken to achieve the desired consistency, whether you want it creamy or more soupy. Then, gently add the cauliflower flour. Stir to coat each piece in the golden sauce. Cover the pan and let the cauliflower simmer, softening into tenderness, but still retaining its shape. After about 10 to 15 minutes, uncover and stir. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over the skillet, stirring that citrus brightness into the curry. Season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. If you like heat, add chili flakes or freshly diced chili at this stage. Finally, stir in fresh cilantro or parsley, and perhaps chopped green onion. The fresh herbs add an herbal lift, a clean vegetal note against the spiced sauce. Serve the curry over steaming basmati or jasmine rice, or alongside warm naan or crusty whole grain bread to soak up every drop of sauce. This turmeric cauliflower curry nourishes on many levels. Turmeric's curcumin exerts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may support joint health, digestion, and overall wellness. Cauliflower, as a cruciferous vegetable, offers fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and phytonutrients like glucose. Coconut milk brings healthy fats medium chain. Garlic and ginger offer additional anti-inflammatory botanicals. The result is a dish that is comforting and cozy, yet vibrant and bright, satisfying appetite while supporting well-being. In your first bite, you'll taste the creamy coconut with a gentle bite of cauliflower, the warmth of spices, the zing of lemon, and a swirl of fresh herb. With each bite, you savor the complexity, texture, and harmony. And as you eat, your body receives nourishment at a cellular level, curcumin modulating inflammatory pathways, and nutrients, supporting digestion and immunity. This dish is highly adaptable. You can include other vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, or add chickpeas or lentils for protein and heft. If you like, stir in spinach or kale in the last few minutes for leafy greens. For a non-vegan version, cubed chicken, shrimp, or paneer add protein. For a creamier curry, swirl in Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt just before serving. For more heat, include fresh chili peppers or black pepper. For smoky flavor, roast the cauliflower first before adding it to the sauce. Now, let us explore 3 recipe variations to bring turmeric and cauliflower curry into your home in distinct ways. Recipe 1. Classic cauliflower curry ingredients. 1 large head 1 tablespoon neutral oil, 1 medium onion, chopped 3 garlic cloves, minced 1 TSP, fresh ginger, grated 1 TSP ground, turmeric 1 TSP ground, cumin 1 TSP ground, 1/2 TSP, paprika, pinch, cayenne, freshly ground, black pepper. To taste, 1 can coconut milk, 1 cup, vegetable broth or water juice of 1/2 lemon or lime salt. Toothtastes, handful fresh cilantro, chopped cooked rice or naan. For serving instructions, Heat oil in large pan over medium. Add onion and until soft. Stirring garlic and ginger for a minute until fragrant. Add spices. Stir constantly for 30 seconds to bloom them. Pour in coconut milk and broth, stirring well. Add cauliflower. Stir to coat, then cover and simmer, approximately 12 to 15 minutes until tender. Uncover, stir, adjust, salt, pepper, cayenne. Add lemon lime, juice and fresh cilantro. Serve over rice or with bread. Garnish extra cilantro. Recipe 2. Golden cauliflower and sweet potato medley curry. Ingredients: 1 medium, sweet potato, peeled and cubed 1 head cauliflower, cut into florets 1 onion, chopped 2 garlic cloves, minced 1 TBSP, grated ginger 1.5 TSP, ground cumin 1 TSP, ground coriander 1/2 TSP, smoked paprika pinch, crushed red pepper flakes 1 can, coconut milk 1/2 cup, vegetable broth, juice of 1/2, lime, salt and pepper, to taste fresh, spinach, or baby kale, fresh cilantro and green onion to garnish rice or key. For serving instructions: onion, garlic, ginger and oil, until fragrant. Add spices, stir briefly, add coconut milk and broth, add sweet potato cubes first, simmer 5 minutes, then add cauliflower, cover and cook, approximately 12 minutes until tender. Stir in spinach until wilted, season, add lime juice and herbs, serve over grains, with garnish. Recipe 3. Protein-rich chickpea and cauliflower golden curry. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, florets, 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed 1 onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 TBSP ginger, grated to TSP, turmeric 1 TSP, ground cumin 1 TSP, garam masala or curry powder 1/2 TSP, coriander powder 1/4 TSP, chili powder or cayenne 1 can, coconut milk 1 cup, vegetable broth, juice of 1/2 lemon, salt and black pepper, fresh cilantro, chopped basmati rice or warm rotis. Instructions: heat oil, onion, garlic, ginger, stir in coconut milk and broth, add cauliflower and chickpeas together, cover and simmer approximately 15 minutes until cauliflower cooked. Season, stir in lemon juice and cilantro. Serve with rice or bread. Why this curry matters: this turmeric cauliflower curry is appealing because it is flavorful, wholesome, and healing. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with scientifically studied anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. By including black pepper, you boost curcumin's absorption. Cauliflower adds fiber, vitamins, and phytonutrients. Coconut milk provides healthy fats that promote satiety and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. The dish is gluten-free, vegetarian or vegan, and easily adapted. It's perfect as a weeknight meal or 4-meal prep. Reheats beautifully, flavors deepen with time. The golden color is visually inviting, the warm aroma welcoming. This is more than cooking, it is self-care through food. You can pair it with a simple cucumber, yogurt, rata, or tahini cucumber salad for cooling contrast. Add roasted nuts or seeds on top for crunch and protein. Serve over ancient grains like quinoa or millet to boost nutrient density. If you want extra spice, garnish with sliced fresh chilies or drizzled chili oil. And beyond dinner, leftovers transform into filling wraps or grain bowls. Fold curry and rice into a whole grain tortilla. Top with fresh greens. Pack it over salad greens with chickpeas for lunch. Blend cooled cauliflower curds with some of the sauce. Mash into spreadable dip. Enjoy how kitchens and communities around the world unite warmth, spice, and nourishment. This turmeric and cauliflower curry celebrates that lineage: Indian spice traditions, Southeast Asian coconut cooking, modern wellness medicine. Each spoonful honors vibrant ingredients and the wisdom of anti-inflammatory food.